Welcome to today's video of EURUSD trade setup. Before looking at today's trade setup, we'll just relook at how our yesterday's trade went by, and we will, as usual, look at the economic calendar and look at the charts as well. So yesterday I gave an go long somewhere here, and it did not really turn out to be a profitable one, a big profitable one. Still, we were able to make a bit of profit, but not the one that we expected. I was expecting it to go up until this resistance region and come back down, but it turned out like it did not go up until that high, and it actually came rather traded sideways until today, where it broke down that region. So still we were able to make some profits, and hope everyone had closed it. And just looking at the chart, as you can see, it's trading currently at an very important support region. Earlier it was a resistance, now it became a support, and it's coming down. And there are a couple of times it tried to break, and it did not, as well as it came down until this region somewhat here on Monday, and it bounced back again. And even today, it's trying to break this support region. So this is turning out to be an important support region for EURUSD currently, and also we have an rising trend line that's very close to where the current EURUSD is trading. So before looking at the trade setup, just look at the economic calendar, what we got for today, and then just come back in a minute. Looking at the news from the US, we just got crude oil inventory, which is not going to make any differences to EURUSD trading. Apart from that, ECB's member speaks, and nothing major coming from the US. So it's going to be a quiet one from the US market. There's one FOMC member speaking later in the day at 7 o'clock, but by the time most of the trades are being closed, hopefully. So just heading back to the chart, a couple of other things as well. The RSI was, just give me a minute, let me add the RSI. So it's currently trading at I don't know why I got to it. Okay, so we got the RSI here at trading somewhere near to 31, and it's heading very close to the oversold region, at least in the 1 hour chart. And we can expect and pull back anytime from where it's currently trading, either at the support region or from the rising trend line. So just moving on to the 4 hour chart and see how it is turning out to be. And as you can see clearly, it's been going higher and higher, and also it's following the rising trend line, as I said, and the important support region 1.092. So just heading back to the 1 hour chart, so we're expecting the EURUSD to pull back from the current region it's turning. So if you want a quick trade, just go long from this current position and then close it off once you're closer to this one. So it's roughly 20 pips, but not a major one, so just 20 pips. But if you want a better trade, I would say just wait for this support region and the trend line to be broken, and upon retest you can short it, so you can get at least like 50 pips, 50 to 100 pips, so before we can close out the trade. But as of now, just go for 20 pips long and then close it off as soon as you're in profit. No, don't wait it for go to like 40-50 pips. So this is going to be a quick trade for today, but for the longer one, I said we're just going to wait until the support region is broken and also retest on the rising trend line. So that's all for the trade today, and I hope you trade well and make good profits. Otherwise, that's all from me. But please like and subscribe to my channel. Also like it if you like the videos, and if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. Thanks everyone. See you.